crafty friends. Happy Valentine's Day. I am here with a bit of a different video. I am doing an unboxing of my Cupid swap box. First of all, can we talk about how cute this is? And can we talk about Emily's handwriting? Because y'all, it is good stuff. So I covered the addresses for privacy reasons, but you guys, this just came yesterday and I cannot wait to open it up. I thought I would open it with you in real time so you could get my real reactions to this gorgeous box. So be sure to check out the description box because there you will find all of the participants who joined us in this Cupid swap. The videos will be releasing throughout the day, so make sure that you check them out. Their Instagram and their YouTube handles are in the description box. But this is from Emily. I'm going to make sure hers is at the top so that you can go to her channel and see the box that I gave her. And yeah, it was so much fun. So let me unwrap this baby and let's get started. All right, first of all, you guys, this box is just gorgeous. Tie-dye, all the colors, so pretty. So let's open this up. I'm gonna back you guys out a little bit. Oh my goodness, look at how cute. So much fun. So on the top is this adorable, oops, sorry. Is this adorable banner. Emily, that is adorable. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at the tassels. Okay, so much fun. All right, and there's a card and lots of fun goodies. So we've got some of the paper. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how adorable. Emily, this is amazing. Wow, so many handmade goodies. Okay, so for reference, this is my first ever swap that I participated in. I was super nervous because y'all, I've never done one, and like, what if I send stuff that's, you know, not good? All right, I'm gonna take everything out and put it on my desk and then we'll go through it all. Emily, this is adorable. Look at this. This is so cute. I take all the paper off, but oh my goodness, you guys. Emily, you are super talented. Super, super talented. Okay, that one. So many goodies. Oh my gosh, ribbon. That's so funny because I had gold ribbon and I was going to put it in your box, but it kind of ran out of space. Ah, look at how cute. The jar. Another box. Wow, this is amazing. You like really outdid yourself. Oh my goodness, I don't even know where to start. Ah, so much goodness. Oh, look at this little box. Okay, I gotta not open everything. All right, let's see. I move my box over. Oops, I'm gonna pull the things out. Oh my goodness, Emily, you are amazeballs. Emily is a teacher, so she's got that, you know. I bet you have the cutest classroom. Look at this. So cute. All right. Oh, my doily heart, be still. Look at this little, that is freaking adorable. Okay, Christie, you're gonna be here all day if you don't just take everything out and then go through it. All right, there's that. Wow. This is an amazing, look at this package, you guys. I'm gonna have to like stop the video and take a picture of all these goodies before I unwrap them. Ooh, look, bunch of cookie M&Ms. Oh my gosh. Look at this felt heart. Did you make this? This is a freaking adorable. All right, and this goodie. Oh my gosh, you guys. You really spoiled me rotten. Look at this paper. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to like really take my time. Oh, look. I knew I had to look in here because, you know, always some little goodie tidbits in the bottom of the box. This is like a little charm dangle. You are so talented, Emily. Holy Toledo. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, with all these little charms and the heart. Oh, wow. So cute. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm going to take a picture of all of the goodies, and then I'm going to come back and unbox, like undo all of the things one by one. Okay, you guys, like literally, I don't know where to start. It's freaking amazing. This box is amazing. Okay, let's just move some things, and we'll just start with one thing at a time. You guys, spoiled me rotten. You are the best, Emily. Let me open the card too. Handwriting is the best too. Love it. I'm so happy to be your first swap partner. I might have gone a little overboard, but there is no better time to spoil someone. I hope you enjoy all the goodies I sent. I tried to make it all scrapbook friendly so that you could use it in your layouts. Happy Valentine's Day, friend, Emily Mosley. And her handle is at peachstreet.crafts. So go follow her on the Instagram. Make sure you go in my description box and find her YouTube as well, because you guys, spoil is an understatement. Okay, so here's a little baggie, and inside, look at how cute. It's like sequins and confetti. I love this. This would be so cute in a shaker shaker element, but you know, I might just keep it like that because it's so cute. Then we have, look at how adorable this is. This is so cute, and it has a shaker. If I wanted to take it apart, I could, but I'm not taking any of this apart. The red heart paper. This is so cute. I would love to know where some of these elements are from, because you guys, so adorable. All right, sorry. Lucy had a breakdown. So cute. The bows and everything. I'm gonna need to know where you got all this stuff, this paper and everything. All right, next we've got this, which is Valentine's gummy hearts. So this is so cute. Look at the little the lid. And we have these chocolates, which of course you decorated the 9s out of. Look at how cute. And little Hershey's hearts. So we shared a little bit about what we like and just went with it, you know? So that is this one. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute, that tassel. All right, there's those. Then this is crunchy cookie M&Ms. Let's look at this guy. This says King of My Heart. Oh my goodness. This is, oh my goodness. It's a banner. It's my name. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is so cute. I cannot wait to hang this in my craft room. So up above my desk, like right up here, I have long acrylic shelves. Well, many shelves put together. But this is gonna look so cute hanging from that. Oh my goodness. Emily, you are the bomb. If you ever are in a swap and you get Emily, you just know that you are gonna get spoiled. The talent, you are so talented. Like, such good stuff. All right, let me put this guy over here. Very sparkly ribbon. All right, let's look in here. We've got this guy. This is so cute. It's a piece of pattern paper. See lots of different elements from crepe paper. My favorite. I love crepe paper. And inside, oh my goodness, look how cute. Look at how freaking cute that is. It's a C and a smiley. Oh my gosh, so cute. And this adorable bag. Definitely going to be reusing this. And it was clipped with these X and O clips. All right, let's see what's next. So much goodness. You guys, it's going to be the longest video because, my goodness, spoiled me rotten. Oh, they're shakers. Look at these. So succulent. Oh my goodness. These are adorable. And these are gonna look great on a page. Even some stitching. Holy crud, so cute. I love the little chipboard succulent. It's so adorable. All right, let's see what else. I got this one. It's a keychain, this puffy heart keychain. I'm gonna have to keep this away from my son. He loves all the soft things. That is adorable. All right, let's look in here. Well, let's look at this one first. This one has these little notes. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That is so cute. Hope you'll be mine. This is in the, I mean, I love these puffy hearts. They're some of my favorite. The layers, oh my goodness. So much goodness in this box. All right, this is a little mini. Let's see. Oh, there's a tag flip inside. How cute. Special delivery. It has a shaker with vellum. Look at these elements. I love this. Lots of love. Oh gosh, so cute. Kisses. Oh, shape sprinkles from Doodlebug. All the heart eyes. And then these hearts. Oh, those are so cute. I love these elements because I don't really go to Hobby Lobby that much anymore. And I love it. I love these guys. Doodlebug makes the best little 3D elements. So cute. And then the charm goes on here. So I don't know where I put the charm. But it looks like the charm fell off. So I'm just going to have to get my little pliers and put it back on. Here it is. And it's going to hang just like this. Oh my goodness. This is all handmade. Wow. Emily, I am speechless. I am speechless. This is amazing. Okay, let's look in this little box. Decorated with the doily. Oh, wait till you see what's inside. So cute. Look at these flowers. Oh my gosh. Look at this felt flower. So pretty. Oh, another charm dangle. Oh my gosh. And then some bows. Man, look at these. I know that I saw these on some of... Oh, look at this one. Look at that. That is so cute. The bow and the joy. And we've got that. This is so cute. It's rubber. It's almost like an eraser, like the texture of an eraser. And then there's these guys. This looks like it's from Heart Eyes. Oh, and this guy with some glitter inside. And it has a little... Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Wow, I am speechless. This is amazing. This is like the best swap. I will definitely be doing more swaps. Just because I had so much fun. Honestly, the most fun for me is like making and picking out the things for my partner. I love giving gifts. All right, then we have a poofy pen. So cute. I love that. We have this little pouch. It says, "Thank you. Today became a special day because of you." And it has a shaker and a tag. And you open it up and it has goodies inside. Oh, heart doilies and Gal Meets Glam. Oh, these are so cute. My mind's eye. I have not seen these. Look at all of the die cuts inside. Love that. That will be good on my Valentine's pages for sure. All right, 4 more things. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. Girl, you went ham on this. All right, let's take this guy off. That has this chipboard and a rosette and a pocket page. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute. Lots of shaker elements, 3D elements. Oh, this is going right in my little album. I'm gonna punch holes in this baby and stick it right in. So cute. Wow. All the things that I forgot that I could make. All right, let's look in here. Oh my goodness, more goodies. guys, oh my gosh, look at these. This is right up my alley. This is so cute. Okay, so they're like little, look, like ruched elements. Wow, I would never think to make these, but my goodness, so adorable. Look at this, love. So some have embellishments and some are just plain. Those are great elements for pages. Oh, this one too. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. Do you have like the most amazing stash of little tiny embellishments? Because these are freaking adorable. And then these are all just like vellum, this paper, which is adorable. I love that. We have like a gingham, llamas. Then we have this guy. We have mixed tape from crepe paper. Oh my gosh, so many good things. All right, let's put that back in this heart pouch. This heart pouch is adorable. Sorry if my dogs, if you hear my dogs, I gave them a treat so that they would leave me alone or like be quiet. Look at this shaker. Covered all the sides. Oh, look, ribbon. You know I'm a ribbon junkie. I love that XO with the hearts, and then there's gold arrows with like holographic hearts. Oh my gosh, the rosettes. I need to learn how to make better rosettes. I've tried it before and not had much luck. All right, now comes this one, which I do not want to rip this paper. This paper is so cute. Oh. Then you got my box. I didn't have a ton of handmade stuff in there, but I tried to keep a balance of handmade and things that I thought that she would enjoy. So hopefully she loved it. Okay, I'm being so ridiculous about this paper, but I really like it. All right, it's all done. Oh my gosh. Felicity Jane. I thought these matched some of your layouts. I hope they're your style and you can use them for some projects. What? Look, I love Felicity Jane. Spot on. Spot on, Emily. So she sent these guys. They're paper bows. These are puffy elements and these are foam stickers. Wow. Okay. I don't have much to say because this is literally the most amazing box ever. Emily, you just outdid yourself. You spoiled me rotten and I'm just so thankful. Thank you so much. I hope that you guys loved all of these goodies. Be sure to go give Emily a follow on Instagram. Subscribe to her page, subscribe to her YouTube, all the things, because y'all, she is super talented. All right, you guys, I will be back with another video sometime this week, but I did want to pop in, wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day and show you all these amazing goodies. Have a beautiful day, and I hope that you find time to be creative and also spread some love.